You know, everybody should feel like a king or a queen. So today we are going to be making the royal flush. For this cocktail, we are going to start off with 2 full ounces of cranberry juice, an ounce and a half of peach schnapps, and then 2 full ounces of your favorite whiskey or bourbon. So this cocktail is definitely going to be a little bit more spirit forward for you. Now that we have all of that into our shaker tin, we are going to fill with ice and shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until it's ice cold in your hands. I'm stripping I'm stripping the color off of this guy. He's not my friend anymore. Okay, so now, get that out of there, whatever that is. It's a good thing I don't have an actual restaurant. All right, so we've got our rocks glass. We're going to go ahead. We're going to put ice into that as well. Keep our cocktail nice and chilled. Okay, so we are going to go ahead. We wouldn't have to double strain this, but I'm going to double strain it anyway. We did not use any fresh juice. We just used cranberry juice, but I'm going to go ahead and double strain anyway. Woohoo!
For flair.
For flair. Wow. Okay. I really don't either.
You're like a magician.
Alakazam.
Oh, boy.
Oh, yes. Okay. So, as I always say, no cocktail is complete without a garnish. Because this one is called the Royal Flush, we're going to give it a tiara or crown, whatever you want to call it. Get in there. Shoot. Okay. There we have our Royal Flush. Wow. That guy is to the brim. Okay. As always, I'm going to taste. I'm going to rate on a scale of 5 being the best, 1 being the least best. Okay. It definitely smells peachy, but of course I also smell a lot of the orange. Did I spill? Oh, I got dribbles. Oopsies. Okay. Yeah, as I kind of stated previously, it's definitely more spirit forward depending on what spirit you use. I get a little bit of the peach. It's not actually as much as I was expecting. I was expecting there to be a lot more peach coming through. I really don't taste the cranberry at all, which is kind of crazy considering it's like 2 ounces of cranberry juice. Let me just, one more time, for science. Yeah, don't get a whole lot of the cranberry. Maybe a little bit on the back end, but not super sweet. So it's definitely something that if you're not a sweet drinker, you could definitely drink it. So for me, I'm going to give this one, I'm going to go with a 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5. It is a good cocktail. It is something that I would drink. I don't know if I would have a second one. I think I would probably say good and then move on to the next thing. But 4 out of 5 for me. Don't forget, ingredients are listed down below, so that way you can build the cocktail as well. Make sure if you do, let me know what your rating is, and I will see you guys in the next pour. Cheers!